Welcome to 805 Rebuilds. My name's Anthony, and today we're at a Copart sublot here in Southern California. If you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, think about subscribing. You don't have to, but you can if you want. Here is a 1967 Chevrolet Caprice. It is burned out. I'm not interested in it, I just wanted to take a look at it. Hopefully you enjoy this too. Not that it's burned out, that's actually pretty sad, but wow. I've always wanted one of these as well. Not like this, but jeez. I don't know, who knows what happened? Maybe it was an electrical issue or jealous girlfriend, who knows? And right behind the Caprice, we have a 1953 Pontiac Chieftain. I think that's how you pronounce it. It is a four-door. Looked like a two-door from back there. Is that a biohazard sticker? Oh, I think that's a not for sale one. But this is for sale. It's listed as a pure sale, which means no reserve, high bid gets it. Headliner. $67,724 miles on this car. Here we have a 2017 Porsche Cayenne. It's listed as a run and drive with a buy it now price of $17,500. Got some damage right there. Check underneath. underneath. Big wheels. What size are these? Oh, R20s, not bad. 20-inch rims. Still smells new. This is listed as front end damage, which we will get to in a minute. This car is very dusty. Oh, well, yeah, the window's down. Look at that Porsche. Oh, well, that's as far as this door will open. Passenger side and driver side airbags deployed. Windshield is cracked from the airbag. Now, this isn't one of my bucket list cars, but this is one of my dream cars. I've always wanted one of these. When I first saw it on, I think it was The Sopranos. It's when I first fell in love with the Porsche SUV. Let's go back around on this side before we see the carnage. 12,288 miles. Alright, here we go. Look at that. Wow. .6 liter V6 direct fuel injection engine. Let's see here. That doesn't look too bad. This needs to be replaced easily. Can't really tell the radiator. Oh yeah. Fender headlight. Underneath, radiator. Let's see. Can't tell, that looks bent, not really too sure. Oh yeah, right there. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on this one. Yeah, look how the door is turned in. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna have to pass on this one. Oh well, maybe next time. Alright, that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching.